Are you ready for this? The dreaded silence. You press the power button on your beloved Dyson V11 Absolute, and nothing. Just a sad, useless lump of plastic and metal. This isn't just an inconvenience. This could be the prelude to a disaster. You see, that turns on but no respond. Problem isn't just an inconvenience. It's a warning sign. This is usually due to a faulty motor. When the motor is struggling, it can overheat. Ignoring this can lead to overheating, potentially damaging the internal circuits and other expensive components. You risk more than just a vacuum cleaner that won't clean. You risk fire hazards, voided warranties, and the painful realization that you might need a brand new Dyson. Let's be honest, a vacuum that doesn't vacuum is, well, it's basically a very expensive paperweight. Don't let your high-tech cleaning marvel become a monument to cleaning failure. So, what's the easiest way to get your Dyson V11 Absolute fixed when it can turn on but doesn't respond? RoboCare has you covered. At RoboCare, we understand your Dyson V11 woes. Our expert technicians diagnose and repair these problems quickly and affordably, preventing a complete vacuum meltdown. RoboCare offers a hassle-free repair solution. Conveniently drop it off at our Kota Damansara service center, or for those outside Klang Valley, simply send it to us with our reliable courier service. Our friendly team of experts is ready to diagnose and repair your Dyson V11 quickly and efficiently. It's that easy. No need to drive long distances or worry about complicated shipping. We make it completely hassle-free. But don't just take our word for it. Now let's see the results RoboCare achieves. Watch it go. After a quick and expert repair by RoboCare, your Dyson is back in action. No more motor problems, just powerful, efficient cleaning. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I was so relieved. It's such a small thing, a vacuum cleaner, but honestly, it made such a difference. I'm so grateful to RoboCare for bringing my Dyson back to life. They really know their stuff.
Don't let your Dyson silently suffer. Contact RoboCare today for fast, reliable, and expert repair services.